Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Yamaha receiver remote controller not working, battery and sensor fixed light. The fixed one, replace the battery. So remove the battery cover and install a fresh set of batteries. Then make sure the positive and the negative minus end are aligned correctly. And clean any corrosion from the battery contact if needed. Fix 2. Check for obstacles. Ensure nothing is blocking the path between the remote and the receiver, and point the remote directly at the receiver from front panel IR sensor. Fix 3. Test the remote IR signal. So open your smartphone camera app and point the remote front LED at the camera and press any button. If you see a flashing light on the phone screen, the remote is transmitting. The fix 4. Power cycle the receiver. So turn off the Yamaha receiver and unplug it from the power of about 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and test the remote again. Fix 5. Reduce interference. Turn off nearby bright LED light, the fluorescent lamp, or other devices that may interfere with frame and signal. And move the receiver away from direct sunlight if possible. The fix 6. Reset the remote. So remove the batteries and press and hold the power button on the remote for about 15 to 20 seconds and reinstall the batteries and test again. Fix 7. Check the receiver remote sensor. So try controlling the receiver from different distance and angles. If the remote IR signal works in the camera test button, but the does not respond, the receiver IR sensor may require service. Fix it. Use the Yamaha controller app. So if your receiver support network, control, and install the Yamaha, the controller app and connect it to same Wi-Fi network as the receiver. Fix 9. Contact Yamaha support. If the remote still does not work after this solution, then visit the official Yamaha support page to submit a support request or find a service center, the Yamaha support. Keep your receiver model number and purchase detail ready before contacting support. And follow any troubleshooting or repair instructions provided by the Yamaha support team. Goodbye and thanks for watching.